Hello students, in this video we will learn about complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. Okay, like for example we have 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Are these two angles complementary? Yes, because their sum is 90, right? Are these two angles complementary? Yes. 60 plus 30 will give us 90. So these two angles are complementary angles. In the same way 45 degrees and 45 degrees. Sum is 90 degrees, right? So these two angles are complementary angles. If I say 72 degrees and 18 degrees, 72 and 18 degrees, these two are called as complementary angles because the sum is 90 degrees. Okay. Now let us say theta is one angle and the complementary angle for theta will be equal to how much? 90 minus theta. Theta 90 minus theta, because the sum should give us 90 degrees, right? See, if we add this theta 90 minus theta, theta and theta will become 0, right? Plus theta minus theta, what is the sum now? It is 90 degrees. So can we say theta and 90 minus theta are complementary angles? Yes, these two are complementary angles. Okay, so what are complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. Okay, now how are they useful in trigonometry? In our 10th standard, how are they useful? See, let us draw a right angle triangle. This one is 90 degrees, right? Let us say this is A, B and C. We have a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. Now I will say that angle A and angle C are complementary angles. Angle A plus angle C are complementary angles. Their sum is 90 degrees. How is that possible? See, if we add these three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, it should give us 180, right? But angle B is 90 degrees, so this will be angle A plus 90 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. This 90 will go on the other side. Angle A, angle C, 90 will go on the other side, it will subtract. 180 minus 90 is 90 degrees, right? See, we got angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So these two are complementary angles. So if I consider this angle as theta, let us say this is theta. So what will be angle A? It will be 90 minus theta, because the sum of these two angles should give us 90 degrees, right? So you go ahead and add these two angles, sum should be 90. Theta plus 90 minus theta plus theta will get cancelled, right? So these two are complementary angles. So always remember, if we have a right angle triangle, one angle will be 90 degrees, the other two angles will be complementary angles. All right. Okay, now we will learn the formulas. Okay, complementary angle formulas. First I'll write what the formulas are and then we will derive how we got those formulas. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is the formula. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, and cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. These are the 6 complementary angles in trigonometry. We'll have 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 plus theta, 360 minus theta. But in your 10th standard syllabus you have only sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot, 90 minus thetas only, 90 minus theta. We don't even have plus also here. 90 plus theta is not there, only 90 minus theta formulas are there. Okay, so 90 minus theta, see, 90 minus theta and theta, these two are complementary angles. 90 minus theta and theta, these are complementary angle formulas. Okay, so let us now learn how we got this. First let me just check whether this is visible in the video or not. Yes, it is visible, right? Okay, now let us take this triangle. Okay, what I'll do is I'll rub this part. So to this angle theta, this is the opposite side, right? AB is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, and this is our hypotenuse side. Okay, okay, now let us write sine theta for this. What is sine formula? Old hero, opposite by hypotenuse. So sine theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So what is opposite in this case? AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. So AB divided by AC. Opposite is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So sine theta is AB by AC. Okay, cos theta. Cos theta formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? Adjacent is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So let us write that BC divided by AC. Okay, like this the remaining four ratios also will find. Tan, sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Okay, let us find all the ratios. Tan is opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. So this is AB divided by BC. Okay, now cosecant is hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse divided by opposite. So hypotenuse is AC divided by opposite is AB, or we can write the reciprocal of sine also, right? Secant is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So hypotenuse is AC, adjacent is BC. Okay, now let us write cot. What is cot? Adjacent divided by opposite. Adjacent is BC divided by opposite is AB. Okay, so we wrote sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot for theta. Now let us write the ratios for this angle A. What did we learn this? What did we learn this angle was? It was 90 minus theta. To this angle, this will be the opposite side and AB will be the adjacent side. Okay, so let us write this. Sine 90 minus theta. Sine formula is opposite by hypotenuse, right? So opposite is BC divided by hypotenuse. So this will be BC by AC. BC is opposite, hypotenuse is AC. Okay, sine is done. Like this we'll find cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cosecant 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, and finally cot 90 minus theta. Okay, now cos formula, I am not writing it again here. Adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? AB, hypotenuse is AC. So AB divided by AC. Tan formula, tan opposite by adjacent, opposite divided by adjacent. So this is BC divided by adjacent. Adjacent is what? AB. Okay, all right. Now cosecant, hypotenuse by opposite, or we can write the reciprocal of sine also, right? So this is AC divided by BC. BC divided by AC is sine. So cosecant 90 minus theta will be the reciprocal of this. So AC by BC, secant will be AC divided by AB, and cot 90 minus theta will be the reciprocal of tan 90 minus theta. So this is AB by BC. Okay, let me just check whether this is clear or not. Yes, all right. Now if you observe carefully, see AB by AC, AB by AC is here. AB by AC, AB by AC, that means these two are equal, right? Okay, which means this cos 90 minus theta is equal to how much? Sin theta. In this triangle, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. That's what we wrote here. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. What about this one, BC by AC? Where is BC by AC? Here, BC by AC. That means this sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, or we can also write cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta also. Okay, we can either write cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, or sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta also. Okay, so sin cos is done. Tan 90 minus theta, BC by AB. Where is BC by AB? BC by AB is here, which means this tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay, cosecant 90 minus theta, AC by BC. We have AC by BC here. Where is AC by BC? Here. Okay, which means cosecant 90 minus theta is same as secant 90 minus theta is same as secant theta. This is secant, right? AC by BC, AC by BC. So cosecant 90 minus theta is same as secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta, AC by AB. AC by AB is here. It is equal to cosecant. Okay, so secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Cot 90 minus theta, AB by BC. AB by BC. So cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, so this was the proof of complementary angles in trigonometry. So remember, sine will change to cos, cos will change to sine, tan will change to cot, cot will change to tan, cosecant will change to secant, secant will change to cosecant. Okay, very easy to remember the formulas. In the next video, we'll learn the applications of these formulas. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.